Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by True Love Design. On this tutorial I want to show you how to make a shadow effect. So if you see here, I have two layers, one with the background, this is with the background and this is without. And if you don't know how to extract someone, you have to check my channel because I have a tutorial there, and learn how to extract someone, and after you can make this one. So let's start. We will work only with the shadow without background. So this is the layer. I have to make two more layers to duplicate them, so duplicate once and one more time, because this layer number one, I will make invisible because I don't want to lose him if I make any mistakes. So this will be my shadow because it's the back of this one. So I will rename this shadow and make this one invisible. Choose the magic tool and make one selection, then right click and choose select inverse, then choose the brush tool with the color black and just paint because the shadow is black or something like that, and then Ctrl D to deselect and make this one visible, and we stay only on the shadow. So you can use the shadow transform control like this. Show the transform controls, check here, or press Ctrl and press D on the keyboard, then right click and choose distort. So distort and just drag your shadow like this, then press OK. Now go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and 10 will be okay for me. Press OK, and now you have two ways to make the shadow appear more realistic. One is to change the blending mode to overlay, and if you see, we have a realistic shadow here. And one is to change the opacity to like 20, and if you see, we have the opacity like more realistic. And for this case I will use the overlay, so changing the blending mode of the layer to overlay. And this is one of the ways how you do the shadow effect. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and leave a message, and see you on the next video. Thank you. Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by True Love Design. On this tutorial I want to show you how to make a sunglass reflection. So here are my sunglasses, and here, this is the photo, this is the reflection. So let's start. First we have to duplicate this layer, right click and duplicate the layer, then OK, then choose the move tool here and just drag the image here on the sunglasses. Then go and choose the lasso tool and make this layer invisible like this, and on this layer invisible, oh shit, don't, just make a selection around the lens like this. Oh, if you want you can zoom for better selection. Okay, then right click and choose feature, change 5 will be okay for me, then click OK and make the layer visible, then right click and choose select inverse and press delete on the keyboard. And if you see, we just delete the outside area and we have only the selection here on the sunglasses. Then Ctrl D on the keyboard to deselect and make this layer the blending mode to overlay or soft light, and there is it. This is the reflection. If you have a photo with sunglasses, you can make a nice reflection on your photo. Thank you for watching this video. Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought you by True Love Design. On this tutorial I want to remake an old video of mine. I think it's the first video I upload on YouTube, and I want to remake this video because so much people ask me to do it because they don't understand what I do here, what I do on that video. And I will put some information about the brush I use on that video to make the background, because I will do a design of a background, a nice background and easy to do. So let's start. First, go to File, New, and create a new document and fill this document with black. Then create a new layer by clicking this button here, and go to brush tool and use a brush like 200 pixel with 0 hardness, and the color must be this one, not white. We don't need white. Then make one click, then go to rectangular tool and select a half of this brush and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, now go to edit and free transform, because we want to transform this brush like so. Then press enter on the keyboard. Now right click and duplicate this layer. Now go to edit again and free transform, and again we have to rotate this brush and make it the biggest one like this. Okay, then press OK on the keyboard and go to layer number 1 because it's the smaller one, and right click and duplicate the layer, press OK, and again we go to edit, free transform, and rotate this brush. Okay, this will be okay. Then press OK on the keyboard, enter on the keyboard. Now this is the first one, last one, second one, and last one. So choose the layer number 1. I will rename these layers. Oh, this is number 2. No, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, now go to edit, image, adjustment, hue, saturation, and click colorizate, because we want to choose to change the color of the brushes, and this will be red. Number 2, again to image, adjustment, hue, saturation, click check colorizate, and this will be blue like this. And the last one, image, adjustment, hue, saturation, check colorizate, and this will be like this, on yellow I think. Okay, I have to move here a little, like so. Okay, Now choose layer number 1 and create a new layer. Now choose we need the flower brush, and you can find this on Google. Search on Google for Photoshop floral brush or vectoral brush or something like this. I will leave on the description bar 2 websites where you can find this floral brush. I use it on this tutorial. So choose a floral brush like this, and now we need white, and make one click. Then again go to edit, free transform, and transform, rotate this brush, flower brush, and put whatever you want. Then click OK. Now go to layer number 1, not to layer number 1, this one, the flower one. I will do this F1, F1, that means flower number 1. So we need the layer number 1, this one, and choose the magic worm tool and make a selection. If you see, we make a selection around the red brushes, we make it. Then go to flower number 1, F1, right click and select inverse, and then press delete on the keyboard and Ctrl D to deselect. Then change the layer mode to overlay, and again go to layer number 2, which is this one, the blue one, and create a new layer. Then choose a new flower you want to put on this one, so this will be okay. And again one click, again go to edit, free transform, and transform this one on this layer like so. Enter, press enter on the keyboard, and go to layer number 2, the blue one. Choose again the magic worm tool, make one click, then go to layer number 1 and select inverse and press delete on the keyboard, Ctrl D to deselect, and again choose the layer mode to overlay. And you can change the opacity to 500, 5, no, not 500, 500 means no, to 50. So change the opacity to 50 and go to layer number 3 here, which is the yellow one, and create a new layer. And again go to brush tool, and we need a new flower. Let me see if this is okay. No, I don't like this one. This one. Okay. Make one selection like this. Then go to worm tool, magic worm tool. Select the layer number 3. Again, make a selection. Go to layer number 2, which is the flower, and select, right click and select inverse. Press delete on the keyboard, then Ctrl D, and again choose the layer mode to overlay. And one more thing, go to erase tool, and on the flower here we have to just to erase a little. We need you need to use um erase to erase brush like 200 with hardness 0, or maybe much 300, like so. And we done. We create a nice background, very fast and easy to do. So please subscribe, leave a comment, and check the description bar where you could find the brushes I use on this tutorial. And see you on the next video. Thank you, and bye bye. Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought you by True Love Design. On this tutorial I will show you how to create a rainbow, and this is the image I will use on this video. And let's start. First of all, we have to create a new layer by clicking this button. Then go to gradient and make one click here on the gradient. You say click to edit the gradient, and choose this gradient. The name of the gradient is transparent rainbow. And then move all this color together like this, and be careful because we don't want to lose any of this color. Okay, that will be okay for me. Up here I miss it. Then press OK and choose the radial gradient. Don't use the linear gradient for this. Use the radial gradient, and make one line on the middle by pressing shift on the keyboard, and then OK. And this is the rainbow, and it's ready to transform. Now Ctrl T on the keyboard, or click here, show the transform color, control, but I will use the Ctrl T on the keyboard, this control. So make the rainbow, I think this is okay for me. Then press OK. Now use the erase tool and just delete the part of the rainbow here where is on the earth. Okay, that's it will be okay for me. And choose the layer mode to soft light. And now to make the whole rainbow, it's already done, but I want to make it more realistic, so I will erase this part right here, like this, and here a little, and maybe here, and I am done. And this is the most easy way to make a realistic rainbow. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and leave a comment.